Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can claim Robux in Please Donate. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. As you can see, I am currently in the Please Donate game and I also have a stand. Now, in order to claim the Robux you get from Please Donate, you would need to go to the Roblox website. Once you are here, make sure that your account is signed in. After that, click on the Robux icon at top right corner and from the menu, select My Transactions. Now all of your Robux transactions will be displayed. At the top, if there is something like pending Robux, then you will be able to receive those automatically in 3 to 5 days. Basically, you don't need to do anything and the Robux will be transferred into your account automatically. So that's basically how you can claim Robux in Please Donate. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.